Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make half circle text in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, select the shape, right click and use rectangle tool or rounded rectangle tool as your wish. I use this rounded rectangle tool, then 30% radius, use fill, click and drag on, then apply with text, circle with text and apply only circle text without shape. Okay, step 1, create a new layer, select the text and type text, resize, press Ctrl T, hold shift, click and drag on your mouse, hold Ctrl, select the shape, align perfectly middle, right click, convert to smart object, again right click, rasterize layer, then press Ctrl T, click this icon, warp customs ARC and see this ARC half, click the last, press Ctrl T, resize, and again step 2 select the text and remove this shape layer, text color black, then right click, convert to smart object, again right click, rasterize layer, press Ctrl T, apply the same process up and down, press Ctrl T, resize. Now we can see this make half circle text. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.